Hello. Welcome back. In the previous video, we talked about what C programming is. Today, we will talk about how a C program works internally. We will go slowly, step by step.
Hello sir, I am ready. Last video helped me a lot. Now I want to understand what happens after I write a C program.
Good. That is a very good question. First, tell me one thing. When you write a C program, what file do you create?
We write a file with .c. For example, hello.c.
Correct. That file is called source code. Source code is written by humans, but the computer cannot understand it directly. So what should we do next?
We must compile the program.
Yes, very good. We use a C compiler. The compiler reads the source code. It checks the rules of the C language. For example, missing semicolon, wrong spelling, wrong syntax. If there is an error, the compiler stops.
Yes sir, I saw many error messages. Sometimes I feel scared when I see red error lines.
That is normal. Every programmer faces errors. Errors are not enemies. Errors are teachers. They tell us what is wrong in our code.
That makes me feel better. So what happens if there are no errors?
Good question. If there are no errors, the compiler converts the source code into a form that the computer understands. This output is called an executable file.
Executable file means the file that can run?
Exactly. Now the program is ready, but still it is not running. Execution starts only when we run the program.
Okay sir, so when I run the program, what happens inside the computer?
Now the operating system comes in. The operating system loads the program into memory. Memory means RAM. Only programs in memory can run.
So program must go into memory before execution.
Yes, very important point. While the program is in memory, it is divided into different parts. You don't need to remember all parts now. Just remember this. Program lives in memory while it is running.
Understood, sir. Now, who executes the program?
The CPU executes the program. The CPU starts execution from a special function. Do you know that function?
Yes, sir. The main function.
Correct. Execution always starts from main.c, line by line, statement by statement.
So functions are called, variables get values, and logic is executed.
Exactly. While the program runs, variables get memory, functions are called, calculations happen. When the program finishes, the operating system clears the memory.
That means memory is freed.
Yes, that is why we say a program lives in memory only while it is running.
Now I understand, sir. First source code, then compiler, then executable, then memory, then execution.
Very good. Now I will say it once again in simple steps. First, write C source code. Second, compile the program. Third, fix errors if any. Fourth, create executable file. Fifth, load program into memory. Sixth, execution starts from main function. Seventh, program finishes. Eighth, memory is cleared.
Now it is very clear, sir. Earlier I only wrote code without knowing what happens inside. Now I feel more confident.
That is the goal. Understanding internal working makes you a better programmer and improves your English also. You are listening, thinking, and speaking.
Yes, sir. Learning English with coding feels easy like this.
Good. In the next video, we will learn the structure of a C program. Slowly, with examples in simple English.
Thank you, sir. I'm waiting for the next lesson.
Good. Keep practicing, keep listening, keep learning. See you in the next video.